In OpenText Exstream Supervisor Produce view, you can process documents stored in the document broker database by using document abstraction queries or DAQs. Let's look at two examples. Select the documents you want to process and then click Process DAQ. Click Submit to send them directly to the communication server and choose Selected Documents Only. Because we want the documents to remain in the document broker database, select Process. Next, select the connector service that will retrieve the documents. Finally, click Submit. You can see the query was successfully processed. Now we want to create and download a query that processes all documents that are in the waiting state. Click the state list and select Filter by waiting state. Click Process DAQ and the Download tab. Select all filtered documents and process. Then click Download. You can see the query was downloaded. This query can be used as input to the communication server in manual or automated processing. Thank you for watching.